What are cloud services and what is the cloud computing stack? Well, cloud services are hardware, platform, middleware, software, and other things that a vendor provides as a service to you. It's accessible by you remotely through the internet. So, in other words, you can access and use hardware that you don't physically own, you don't physically possess. You can use software even though it's not directly installed either on your computers or on your devices. There are three main cloud services. They are IaaS, PaaS, and Saas. I'm going to describe in a little bit of detail from bottom up what these are. IaaS is infrastructure as a service. With IaaS, you have the privilege of using things like virtual machines. You can use servers, disk, and storage space. Some examples of these IaaS providers are Amazon, Windows, Google Computing Engine, IBM's Smart Cloud Enterprise, HP, and VMware. The second service is PaaS, or Platform as a Service. This model is tailored for people who are developers, for companies and groups who want to own their own software and they want to manage their own software. Things like execution runtimes, databases, development tools, these are all the things that are provided by that kind of a service provider. HANA Cloud Platform by SAP is an example. Salesforce, Red Hat, OpenShift, and Google App Engine are other examples. There's also Windows, Azure, and IBM. The third and top layer is the SaaS, or Software as a Service layer. This is where you get tools like email, clients, CRM systems, virtual desktops, online games, and other things like that. On-premise is the model where you are responsible for the whole stack. So you manage everything, the entire stack by you. You have the hardware and everything else. You have the cables, the fiber cables, the fiber optic cables, the cold room, and so on. IaaS is the model where the service provider hosts everything for you, but you are able to outsource some of the stack. Not everything is hosted by you. You want to have a cloud vendor to give you everything up to the virtualization piece of the stack. So you have to worry about the operating system, the middleware, the runtimes, the data and applications yourself. PaaS is the model, or Platform as a Service, where the entire service is built for you except the software on top. So this is usually managed by you or developed by you. You have to focus on the code. You have to worry about the data yourself. Everything else is managed by the vendor. Software development companies, people who have their own strong development team within their company, are the ones who leverage this kind of a service. SaaS, Software as a Service, is the model where everything is provided for you by the service provider, and you are merely the consumer of all the data and all the software. You are focused on your business rather than having to worry about IT or the technology that is used to run your business.